Hello everyone, welcome to our power training, our weekly power training. Welcome. So this is Hildebrand and I will introduce you to Alejandra Sa. We're doing this every week and we're just focused on valuable training within less than 10 minutes for each speaker. Today we have a special guest. So let me explain to you. First, Alejandre will just do his presentation, and next, Luke, a friend and a fellow marketer, Luke Blower, was really interested in taking part to this training, but unfortunately he lives in Japan, so it's right now 2 a.m. in Japan. So instead, what he did, he recorded his training, and so we're just going to play the training right after Alejandre's presentation. So go ahead, Alejandre, it's your time.
Hello everybody, hi Hedy, how are you doing? Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's a pleasure to be here one more time. As you know, we are doing a weekly call on providing value and sharing with you tips and tricks that have helped our business to take our business to the next level. So today, I'd like to share with you. First of all, thank you for your time. Thank you for being here and spending some time with us. We really appreciate that. We really value our time, your time, and hopefully, what we are going to share with you is going to help you take your business to the next level. So today, I'd like to talk with you about target leads. You know, traffic is really key to any sort of business, and particularly online. So when we join a business, I'd like to talk a little bit about niche. Something really important if you don't have already an online business and you are thinking of joining this community and start from an online business to work on the internet, it's paramount of importance that you really define your niche. And it has to be something you are passionate about because it's something that you would like to talk about. So if you don't like that subject or if you don't really know nothing about that, it's going to be very hard. So if you find a niche that you are enthusiastic, that you have some knowledge, it's going to be much easier for you. So suppose you have already found your niche, the kind of area you are going to talk about, to promote about, and something really important is to find target leads. On our last training, I talk about a tool, a Facebook tool that it's fantastic. It really saves you lots of time, and best of all, it's free. So you can find target leads all over the world. So you really need to know how to do that, to use that, and really practice that and make the most of it. So I'm going desktop sharing and show you how I use this fantastic tool. Fantastic tool. You really need to use that because it's just amazing. Something that Facebook really did is to accumulate lots of data. So it's really wonderful when you learn how to use that. Harry, can you see my screen? Yes? Okay. So here is my profile. Okay? So you can see over here, it's the Facebook graph search. So how can you do this to your advantage? Last training, we spoke about how to find target leads in groups. which is wonderful. But today, I'd like to talk with you how to find specific people, really very target leads in your niche. Because you know, if you come to somebody that is not worried about losing, if you start to promote products about how to lose weight, that person is not going to be interested in. So you are going to waste your time. If you go online and started promoting something and you are still chasing your friends, your family, it's no good because they might not be interested. So you are going to get discouraged and sad and even frustrated. And many people quit because they think they cannot find, they don't have a big list. But with this tool, you are not going to run out of leads. You are not going to run out of people. And this business is all to do with connection and building relationship. So as you are going to spend your time, most of us work 8 to 10 hours per day offline. So you need to make the most of your time. And the best way to do that is to connect, to build relationship that with people that might be interested in whatever you promote. So for example, last webinar, we spoke about groups. Today, I'm going to speak about people, target leads. So you go here to this graph search and write something like this. People who are not my friends, because with your friends you are going to develop specific relationship. But here, let's suppose you are going to find people that are in your niche. For instance, write something like this. People, not my friends, and I'm going to pick one of an MLM company. Let's say you could pick any other, but if you start connecting or select a specific company, you are going to understand how they think about the way they market. So then you can create a very specific list that we are going to talk about in a future training. But today I'm just going to show you how to find some very target people, ultra target people. So let's say people who are not my friends and like, let's say, wake up now and are over 25 years old. Let's see what comes up. Can you have a look here? More than 1,000 people. Isn't that amazing? You have over 1,000 people that are not your friends yet. They like wake up now and are over 25 years old. You could put 40 years old or whatever. So when you come here, you are going to see thousands of people that you can connect with and are not your friends. Normally, the first ones are the kind of people who have some, like this guy here, Ken. We have 97 mutual friends, which is great. So we have lots of friends in common. It's much easier for me to get in touch with him. So I can add him as a friend, which is not a great idea yet. I can follow him and I can send him a private message. I normally, if you go down here, I normally first connect with people. Let's see this guy here, William Dawson. And normally, I prefer to get in touch with people that have this follow button here. So I prefer that. So I wouldn't pick this guy here in the beginning. There are many others who have this follow button here, so it's much easier. If you look here on the right, you are going to have to see more specific data that you can go further. So you can promote according to gender. I know some women prefer to mark as, moms that promote a home-based business. So they might prefer to get in touch with women. So you can put here female, relationship, employer, even your cities. You can try to promote to people who are in your city. Then you can even meet in person. It's up to you. But if you see here, see more filters. Now you can get even more specific, even more targeted. And that's the idea. You can put something like people who are not my friends and like Wake Up Now and I over 25 years old and like Maxwell, né? People who like to read the same books. So you can get very, very specific here. Work and education, profession, even religion, whatever. So it depends on interest. This is great because you can add here many things that you can get even more target. Okay, so you have so many options down here that you can decrease these numbers here and really get very, very specific. So guys, I know many people have heard about this tool, but you can do so much with that. Go very, very intra-specific and start to connect with people that are like-minded and have so much in common with you. So that's what I'd like to. Hedy, can you come over?
Yes, thank you very much, Alejandre. Sometimes the simplest tips are the ones that work the best. I can totally see how that is pretty amazing because you just connect with people that are like-minded. It's not, you're not just going to the mass, you're just going one by one to people who are like-minded and who you would like to work with. Thank you, Alejandre. It's awesome.
Yeah, that's the idea to get ultra specific and really target the leads because sometimes the problem is with your offer and it's nothing to do with your offer. You just have to offer to the right people. And then we can talk about that in future trainings to really segment our list. So it's another tip that I'm going to share with you in future training.
That totally
I'll
makes
hand it to
sense.
you.
That totally makes sense, and that will be our transition because now we're going to go through Luke Blower's presentation. So Luke is a friend of ours, and he's a fellow marketer that I personally appreciate a lot. And his website is lukeblower.com, and his company name is No Nonsense Marketing, right? Because there's a lot of nonsense in MLM marketing out there. So we are totally on the same page. Thank you, Luke, again for this presentation. So now let me show you. I'm going to share my desktop just to show you. Can you see my desktop? Can you see my screen? Great. Okay. So who is Luke? Well, really quick, I'm going to show you a picture of Luke. Luke is from Great Britain and he lives in Japan. And this is his website, lukeblower.com. So now, see, this is a person I personally connected with via Facebook. Like-minded people, right? And it's good to just help each other, support each other, because we're not in there by ourselves. Now let me play his presentation. So now we're going to switch to presentation video. So I'm going to need to know from you guys if you see the video. So his presentation is Make Killer Sales Page, and I just love the title.
Alrighty. Okay.
Can you see the screen? No, you couldn't see it. I just, let me see. Did you see it briefly? Yes. Okay, you know what? I'll just play it on YouTube. I think I did a false maneuver. Let's go. Share full screen. We'll watch it on YouTube. C'est parti. Can you see my screen? Hello, Danielle. Can you see my screen? Yes, perfect. Okay. Full screen.
Alrighty. Okay. Good morning or good evening wherever you are. This is a good morning from Japan. Okay, I've got 10 minutes here. Thank you very much for having me here. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to go through my 5-minute sales page method. Get love at first sight every time. Basically, what I want to go through is I'm going to show you how anybody, whatever business you're in, can make sales pages super quick. And you're going to make powerful sales pages that are going to get the people who look at them to do exactly what you want them to do. Alright, this is powerful stuff. Now, before I jump in here, I want to just explain and just answer the question. You may be thinking, why should I listen to this person? Well, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Luke Blower. I've been online for like the best part of 2 years now. I came online because I'm a Brit living in Japan. My situation is a little bit unique, a little bit different to other people. My options are a little bit limited offline, so I came online to make money. The same as a lot of people, I struggled for the first year, maybe the first year and 18 months. I was struggling, spending my savings, basically looking down a bit of a black hole, not knowing where I was going. Now, it changed around. In the last 6 months, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not a millionaire. I haven't got a helicopter or a Ferrari. I do have a bike and I do have my own car. But I do have a business that is growing and profitable online, which I know sets me aside from a lot of people who are in the online niche, because they're actually in the not making online niche because they're spending more money than they're making online. So this sales page method that I'm going to show you has been a key component in that change of fortune for me. One of my mentors, one of the good people that I've met online, showed me this. It's dead simple. I'm not a copywriting genius, but once I got shown this, I realized that anybody could do it. So I wanted to show it to you because I can show it to you very quickly. You can go out there, use it in your business, wherever your business is, and you can start making improvements in the amount of sales you make, in the amount of people joining your list, whatever it is that you're using a sales or squeeze page for. You can improve your whole business in that area using this method. I'm pretty damn sure of it. All right, so let's just dive in here. All right, to slide 2. So killer sales pages made easy. Okay, number 1, why are sales or squeeze pages important? Well, in my line of business, okay, I sell products. I make and sell my own products. So if my sales page is no good, people don't buy from me. That is as simple as that. So I don't make money, my business will fold, and I'll have to go and stack shelves in a supermarket or whatever. Okay, same for you. If you're selling products, if your sales page doesn't work, then people are just not going to buy from you. Okay, if your squeeze page is like some generic company squeeze page, or it's just badly written, then people aren't going to join your list. And again, your MLM is going to fail. You're not going to build a list. You're not going to build a team. You're going to fail. You're going to fail. You're going to fail. So does that sound powerful to you? If you can make good sales pages, if you can make your own branded squeeze pages, will that make a difference to your business? I'm sure the answer is yes for most people here. Okay, so what is it? What is this fantastic, super easy method that I have? Well, it's called modeling. Okay, and one of my mentors showed this to me, as I mentioned, and it's dead simple. And it basically means utilizing and leveraging the copy that's already out there. Listen, there's people in your niche, whatever niche you're in, there will be people who have made a lot of money, and they would have paid a lot of money to have copy written for them on their sales or squeeze pages. They would have paid to have those squeeze pages already tested, so they know for a fact that they are high converting. And you can go out there and find them on the internet, whatever niche you're in, and you can go and you can just look at the key points, copy them, put them into your sales page, change them up so they suit you and brand new, and boom, you can have a killer sales or squeeze page yourself. It's not copying, it's leveraging other people's work. All right. That's what the smart marketer is. That is what the smart business man or woman does. They don't reinvent the wheel. There's no need. They go out there, they find who's doing things successfully, they copy it, make it better, or just make it suited to their own needs or suited to their customers' needs, and boom, they're successful. I live in Japan. Japan is an amazing example of that. Toyota, they were accused of ripping off American car companies in the 70s, but in the end, they ended up taking the key points, changing it, making it better, and boom, for better or worse, Toyota is one of the most successful car companies. Look, it's a similar example. Yeah, it's called modeling. Okay, so the main problem for you is, where do you find good examples to model? It's actually dead simple, because they're all out there. Yeah, I mean, people don't want to hide their sales pages away because they want people to find them, look at them, and buy from them. So if you're in the make money online niche like I am, you can go to jvzoo.com, you can go to clickbank.com, you can go to Warrior Forum, you can go to Warrior Plus. It's all out there, free to join. Go to the top of the sales pages, the leaderboards, find the converting offers, look at the sales pages, and then boom, just go out, pick out the main points, and then boom, 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 make your sales page, make a killer sales page. No problem at all. If you're another niche, you can go to ClickBank, look at weight loss niche, be on ClickBank, financial niche, be on ClickBank. Just go to Google, type in weight loss, and you'll find the best converting offers will come up there, because they will the people who have the best SEO as well. Simple. Okay, number 4. Once you've found a good sales page, you want to know what are the kind of key points to look at, and that is what I'm going to look at right now. So, okay, so if you're in the kind of make money online niche like I am, you go to jvzoo.com. Okay, join up. You can just go over here, find products, go to the top of the leaderboard, and just pick out some of these offers. Just click on it and go to the sales page. The one I've got here is Social Lead Freak. I chose this one because it's high converting. It's made a lot of sales. I know the guy who made it is a good guy, and I know that he does not skimp at all on his copy. So if you copy this, draw inspiration from this copy, you will be going the right direction. Okay, so let me just show you here example of a killer sales page and what you want to, and what makes it a good sales page. So the first point is the headline. Okay, it's just going to grab your prospect and say, boom, check this out. And basically, a good headline makes a promise. It makes a targeted, focused promise. It doesn't say this is going to make you make money online. It gives you a targeted promise. Look at this one. All thousands of sincerely sizzling, precisely pinpointed, ready to respond leads. The fact is that most people, 99.9% people who are struggling online, are struggling because they want leads. Okay, this product is selling a good way to find leads from Facebook, so it makes boom, 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 a pinpointed promise. Okay, and that's what you need to do with your title. Now, then, next point is to go down and just dig into those pain points. Pain points basically means what is hurting your prospects. What is it that they want? Okay, this is exactly what it is. It just goes in here and says, whatever business you're in, you want leads. You want leads, you want leads, you want leads, you want leads, you want good quality new leads. You want leads, you want leads, you want leads. Okay, whatever your MLM is, you want to find out what the pain points are, and your sales page wants to outline that to your prospects. Okay, once you've done that, you go down and you make promises. Okay, search on steroids. Okay, Facebook super weapon. Basically, all of this is showing exactly how this product can fix those pain points that you just pointed out. So basically, you're opening the wounds to your prospects, and then you're showing you exactly how your offer is the band-aid for those wounds. Then you go down. All right, offer value, bonuses, more value, and then this is a call to action. Call to action basically just means, okay, buy this, sign in now, put your email address in, do it now. Then you just put the opt-in form or the price, or the click here, buy now. Then you can just go down, offer some more value, maybe put another call to action, maybe put another email box in, however you want to kind of string it out. But basically, this is the structure that any email you send out, any sales page you send out, that is the structure you should use. Catchy headline, grab them by the collar, say, look at this, pain points, this is what you need, this is what you need, this is what you're looking for, boom, this is how my product or offer can save you, how this can fix your pain points. And then boom, a call to action, okay, do this now, sign in now, call to action, buy now, and that's it. Alright, so run out of time now, but that is exactly any email that you use, any sales page you use, any capture page you use should follow that simple technique. Go out there, have a look, copy, paste, change it up from the copy that's out there already is working. Alright, so I've run out of time now. Any questions, fire them over to me. You can find me at lukeblower@nononsensemarketing.com. That's no-nonsensemarketing.com. And you can just fire any questions out there. So that's all for now. Thank you very, very much for bearing with me. I'm sure this can help you, whatever business you're in. Okay, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Thank you very much.
All right, well, thank you very much again, Luke. Great pure value training, just perfect. Thank you. Now, let me show you real quick. We just have 2 minutes left. Let me show you what Alejandre and I, and many internet marketers, many business owners are using online to promote their business. So if you're a business owner and you want to market your business online, whatever your business may be, then it is to your advantage to use such tools. I'm going to show you a toolbox, internet marketing toolbox, that will allow you to promote your business online and increase your profits and automate your business. So let's review the tools within the toolbox. Number one, we have an internet website. So your business can have its own internet website, its own blog in an easy way. It's very easy to set up. You can set it up within within an hour or less. Second of all is your capture page. It's important to have capture pages on your website and elsewhere to promote your offers and to promote your business. This way you capture people's email address, the ones that are interested in your offer, in your business, in your opportunity, in your products. Second of all, the email addresses are going into the autoresponder, and that's the third tool in the toolbox. The autoresponder will allow you to just send automated follow-up emails to your list, what we call list, and send them broadcast. Fourth tool is the video email. You can send really cool video emails. You know that the trend today is video emails, so video emails are very convenient and different. It allows you to just stand out from the crowd. Live meeting room, such as the one that we're using right now. This is exactly what we're using, so you can find many use for it. Team meetings, just presentations, tutorial, etc. And last tool is training, internet marketing training by experts who have been online for many, many, many years, like 20, 30 years. So this is how you can automate your business and increase your profits. And if you are interested in knowing more about these internet marketing tools that we're using, then please contact the person who invited you at this conference. Thank you for attending, and we will see you in the next power training next week.